I'm going to show you a simple jig I use to make this round dining table using a piece of plywood, some screws, and my router. So when you measure your plywood, you're going to want to measure the width of the router you have and the radius of the circle you're trying to cut, because you don't want to make it too short. So now that I have this board cut to length, I'm going to place a screw on one end and my router on the other, and I will place the screw in the middle of the bottom side of the board, that way not to put any damage on the top, and then I would follow and it should make a perfect circle. Let's see how it works. Next, you'll want to find the exact center of your board that you're wanting to make into a perfect circle. Once you have your board screwed down to the center of your table, then you can attach the router, and I marked it, measured out exactly what I wanted, so I knew where I wanted to place it. Once you place it, you can turn it on, plunge, set your plunge depth, and then you just go around and it slides very easily, and I'll give you an update on how it works once it's all done. Okay, so here's an up-close shot of the circle jig, so you can see how I nailed it and then how I attached the router to the plywood. With each pass, you're going to want to lower your router bit, and it took me maybe 4 or 5 passes to cut through this circle, so I lowered mine about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch with each pass, and the result was a nice smooth circle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates on our videos.